Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove text from video using CapCut application. So here I already have the project, and on my video I have the text on it, you can see here. So let's remove this text. So to remove this text, you need to screenshot this video, and after that we need to adjusting the size. We need to crop it into the only frame of the video, and after that you just need to go click done and just save to photos. And now we just need to go back and let's open a PixArt. Wait a minute. Okay, whenever it's open, you just need to go create the new project and you need to edit you need to add the picture that we already screenshot before. So we need to remove the text from this pictures by slide these tools into the left side until you found remove. And now you just need to brush this text from the pictures. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to go click remove. And now the text is already gone. Now you just need to go click apply and download this picture. And now we need to go back into the CapCut, and after that we need to bring this straight line into the beginning of the clip. And now let's add the overlay. And this overlay, we need to click add overlay, and let's go into the photos and add the photos that we already added with the PixArt before, and just go click add. And now we need to make the size is quite the same with the primary video by pinch with two of our finger, and you also need to make sure that the length of the overlay is just the same with the clip. And now we need to find the mask over here, and you just need to choose this rectangle. And now you just need to adjusting the position as well as the size, then the positions that you want to have. And after you're done, you just need to go click done. Okay, you can also adjust things to make it just have the same position. You can make it a bigger right there. Okay, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. And now you just need to adjusting the size again and again to make it almostly the same. Okay, with the searches. And now let's take a look at the result. So that's the way how to remove text with the CapCut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.